let's get this match started in 3, 2, 1, go!
Final match of the round underway. We have first Coral for the Red Alliance, one on L2, one on L4. One might find its way into the trough. Paradigm Shift goes back for a second from a human player. That one gets raised up, ready to roll as drivers take control. The Blue Alliance, that's Alliance 6, they are in the lead heading into Teleop. Algae gets dislodged from the Red Alliance Reef. Beast Robotics leading that. They're going to use their elevator and coral mechanism to get that algae out of their alliance partner's way. While Red gets organized, Blue is going to get some coral up as high as they can. All of their coral so far, it is focused on L4. Red Alliance has a few on some lower levels. We see a lot of shaking coming out of Martin Motion's manipulator. We'll see if they're having a little bit of trouble homing in on the perfect position to drop off that coral. We see that coral bouncing back and forth. Drive team getting as close a look as they can. They do find success for the Red Alliance. Minute and a half remaining in the match. Alliance 6 leads 83-55. Winnovation, they have cleaned out all of the algae from the Blue Alliance Reef. They've put that up into the blue net. We see 3 of those algae up there so far at 4 points apiece for the Blue Alliance, contributing to their lead. Red is trying to narrow the gap as quickly as they can. Martin Motion bumpers up against their reef, looking for an easy score with that high coral. They do find the place to drop it off. Their 2 alliance partners focusing on as much scoring as they can. Algae gets dislodged from the reef by Paradigm Shift. Paradigm retrieves some coral. They return to the spot they have unearthed that they now have access to. All 3 red robots approaching the reef at this time with coral in their elevators. Blue also 3 on offense, all of them on coral now that all that algae is removed on both sides of the field. It is just a race with this coral. Still some high value positions available on the branches for the Red Alliance. 1792 RTR. They cross through their bar. Early start on a deep cage. Gap of about 20 points here, so a solid endgame can swing the match. Oak Creek's Roundtable Robotics, they are suspended from the deep cage, 12 points locked in for Alliance 6. But Martin Motion and Paradigm, they are also getting on a deep cage, 24 points for the Red Alliance as long as they are clear as time expires. In the upper bracket, we've got another member of the Blue Alliance, Alliance 6. A tight match, 157 to 151. That does mean Alliance 6, they are moving on in the upper